So je suis is how you say I am in French. Je suis. You use that to say I am. Je means I. Suis means am. Je suis. And then just real quick, you know, suis is actually comes from a verb. It doesn't. The verb it comes from looks different. So, FYI. All right. So let's get into it. Je suis un homme. I am a man. Je suis une femme. I am a woman. Then let's talking about, you know, your physical traits, you know, how tall you are, whatnot. To talk about, you know, being tall, you know, your height. Je suis grand. Je suis petit. Petite is small. Grand is tall, is big. Then now let's talk about, you know, other words you can use for your body size. Athletic. It's talking about somebody who's athletic. Somebody who's not athletic but kind of normal is moyen. Je suis maigre is how you say, you know, I am skinny. And talking about ethnicity and whatnot, je suis africain, je suis noir, I'm black. Je suis noir, I'm black. Je suis africain, I'm African. In French, it doesn't translate